going to teach you subject English. So open your page number 45. CVC word. Open your page number 45. This page. CVC word. Write the rhyming word. Once is done for you. Here given AP words and here write CAP. This is AP word. So we write in this place and we find AP words in this clue box. Now we find AP word. This is BAT. TAP. This is AP. So first of all you circle on it and you write in this place. TAP. Tape. Next MAT. BED. Bed. BAN van. HEN hand. SET set. FED fed. WET wet. PAN pen. NET net. HAT hat. PET pet. MAP map. This is also AP word. NAP nap. So circle on it and write in this space. NAP nap. Now next word is MAP map. This is also AP word. So circle on it and write in this space. MAP map. Now look another line. Here given AN. So we find AN words. Now look at this box. BAT, BET, PAN. This is AN or this is also AN. And we find AN word. So circle on it and you write this word in this place. BAN. Van. Now we find another. Look at this. This is also AN word. PAN pen. So circle on it and you write this word in this space. PAN pen. Now we find another AN word. MAT. FED. Yes. RAN. Rain. RAN. This is also AN word. Now HAT, PET, NET, MET, FAN, fan. This is also AN word. So we write here FAN. Now we find next AT words. So last two letters is ANT. Look at this BAT. This is also AT word. So circle on it and write in this space. BAT, bat. Now BED, WET, PEN, HEN, TEN, NET, SET, MAT, mat. This is also AT word. So circle on it and write in this space. MAT, mat. FED, HAT. This is also AT word. So circle on it and write here. HAT, hat. Now we find one more word AT. Look at this CAT, cat. So circle on it and write down CAT, cat. Now our next line is ED. We find ED words. BED, bed. So circle on it and write in this space. BED, bed. Now WED, PEN, TEN, HEN, NET. This FED. FED, feed. Now we find another ED word. RED, red. So circle on it and write RED, red. And this is also ED word. WED. WED. Now ET words. So we find E and T letters. This is ET word. WET, wet. So circle on it and write down here. word, S-E-T, set. S-E-T, set. Then P-E-T, pet. P-E-T, pet. Then N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. Now we find E-N words. P-E-N, pen. This is E-N word. So circle on it and write down here P-E-N, pen. This is also E-N word. T-E-N, ten. H-E-N, hen. And last one is M-E-N, men. I repeat again. AP word. C-A-P, cap. T-A-P, tap. N-A-P, nap. M-A-P, map. A-N word. B-A-N, van. P-A-N, pan. R-N, ran. F-N, fan. A-T word. B-A-T, bat. M-A-T, mat. H-A-T, hat. C-A-T, cat. E-D word. B-E-D, bat. F-E-D, feed. R-E-D, red. W-E-D, bed. E-T word. W-E-T, bed. S-E-T, set. P-E-T, pet. N-E-T, net. And E-N word. P-E-N, pan. T-E-N, ten. H-E-N, hand. M-E-N, man. Okay kids, do this exercise in your textbook also. Now kids, open your next page. Open your next page. पेज नंबर 45. वो पेज 44 था और ये 45 है. Use the column box and write the rhyming words. Now look at this. Our new column is given and we find new words. Here given I-N words and one is done, W-I-N, win, and we find I-N words. So this is I-N, P-I-N, pin, P-I-N, pin. Now next I-N word is F-I-N, fin. F-I-N, fin. Now next I-N word is T-I-N, tin. Now we find I-P word. Z-I-P, zip. So circle on it and write down here Z-I-P, zip. Now next IP word is DIP, deep. DIP, deep. LIP, lip. Circle on it and write down in this page. Then next TIP, tip. Now we find IG words. This is IG, D-I-G, deep. So circle on it and write down here D-I-G, deep. This is also IG word. So circle on it and write down here B-I-G, big. This is IG word, W-I-G, big. And this is also IG word, P-I-G, pig. Now we find OP word. This is OP, MOP, mop. TOP, top. COP, cop. And HOP, hop. Now we find OG words. LOG, log. This is OG word, L-O-G, log. then FOG, fog, then DOG, dog, then next JOG, jog. Now we find OT word. COT, got. HOT, hot. NOT, not. And POT, pot. I repeat again, IN word, WIN, win, PIN, pin, FIN, fin, TIN, tin. IP word, ZIP, zip, DIP, dip, LIP, lip, TIP, tip. IG word, DIG, dig, BIG, big, WIG, wig, PIG, pig. OP word, MOP, mop, TOP, top, COP, cop, HOP, hop. OG words, LOG, log, FOG, fog, DOG, dog, JOG, jog. And OT words, COT, cot, HOT, hot, NOT, not, and POT, pot. You do this exercise in your textbook. Page number 45. Now, I will teach one more exercise. So, open your next page. Page number 46. Use the clue board and write the rhyming words. Use the clue box and write the rhyming word. Here given U and T. We find U and T word. B-U-T. One is already given. Now we find another UT word. This is not UT, here C-U-T. So you write here C, U and T. C-U-T, cut. Now we find one more UT word. N-U-T, not. And this is also UT word. H-U-T, hot. Now here given UG. So we find UG word. J-U-G. J-U-G. This is also UG word. H-U-G. So circle on it and write here. H-U-G. Hug. Then this is also UG word. R-U-G. Circle on it and write down here. R-U-G. Rug. Then next is, this is also UG word. So circle on it and write down in this space. M-U-G. Mug. Now here given UN. So we find UN words. G-U-N. Gun. So circle on it and write in this place. G-U-N. Gun. Now this is also UN word. So circle on it and write this given space. B-U-N. Bun. Now this is also UN word. So circle on it and write in this space. S-U-N. Sun. And this is also UN word. F-U-N. Fun. I repeat again UT word. B-U-T. But. C-U-T. Cut. N-U-T. Not. H-U-T. Hot. Then UG words. J-U-G. Jug. H-U-G. Hug. R-U-G. Rug. M-U-G. Mug. Then UN words. G-U-N. Gun. B-U-N. Bun. S-U-N sun, F-U-N fun. Okay kids, do this exercise also in your textbooks. Page number 44, 45 and 46. Okay kids, do these 3 pages at your home. Bye bye.